Wait a minute. Okay. See, here you have many examples how to use this word ought to. So they ought to apologize. They ought to apologize. So here ought to is used to say what is right thing to do. Okay. So they ought to apologize. What is right thing? What is right thing to do there? It is they ought to apologize. They have to apologize. So then next one is they ought to have apologized, but they didn't. They ought to have apologized, but they didn't. They had to do that because it was the right thing to do. Then such things ought not to be allowed. So again here ought is used to say what is right. Then he ought to have been driving so fast. So he oughtn't. Okay, ought not. Oughtn't means what? Ought not. He oughtn't have been. He oughtn't to have been driving so fast. Then ought I to write to say thank you? Okay, so yes, I think you ought to. So here in all these cases, ought is used to say which one is right and which one is wrong. To express what is right, you have to use ought to. Again, in another case is there where you have to use ought to. See, see here, it is used to say what you expect or would like to happen. What you expect or would like to happen. For this, you will use ought to. Children ought to be able to read by the age of 7. We expect the children of 7 years old to be able to read. So, children ought to be able to read by the age of 7. Then another example, nurses ought to earn more. Nurses expect to earn more. In this case, we will use what children ought. So, come to your book now, same page, page number 31. I'll share the page for you. Again, here check the advice and probability. You ought to do your duty. Obligation. You have to do your duty. It is an obligation. Obligation means what? It is your duty. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. To express your ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ, ought to is used. You ought to do your duty. Then next one, the bus ought to be here any minute. So the bus ought to be here any minute. Again it is probability. Next ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ಸು ಬರಬಹುದು. Then after ought to we have must children. Okay. So must means what? It is strong obligation. Ought to the next form ಯಾವುದು? Must. It is strong obligation. Obligation or necessity. We must make a move now. We must make a move now. It is the necessity here. We must make a move now. Then you mustn't tell lies. You should not tell lies. You mustn't tell lies. So, in these two cases, obligation and necessity, what you will use? You will use must. Then, next one is need. Again, need is also used to express the necessity or compulsion or insistence. So, he need not go to the market. He need not go to the market is the example there. So, it shows what? Insistence. ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So, here this sentence is insisting him to not to go to the market. Okay. So, now again let us check some examples. Come to page number 30. Come to page number 30. See, let us check the sentences there. Here a sentence is there. Raju has fractured his arm. Raju has fractured his arm, but still he can write. But still he can write. What is the model here? Which one is the model here? In these two sentences, can you tell me which is the model? Raise your hands. Which is the model here, children? Medini, which is the model? Very good. Tanusha? Tanusha, are you there? Which is the model, Marie?
Can.
Very good. Okay. What is can exhibiting here? What is can exhibiting here? Can you tell me? What is can exhibiting here? Tanusha. Okay, Tanusha. Thank you very much. Anushri. Let us go to Anushri. Let us ask the question to Anushri.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me, Marie, what is can expressing here? So in the
Ability.
table you have learned, no? Can be used to express what? It can be used to seek the permission, or it can be used to request or offer ability. Now in this sentence, but still he can write. What function is done by can there? Anushri?
Ability.
Exactly, ability, right? Even though his hand is fractured, he can still write. Very good. Thank you, Anushri. Okay, now let us go for the next sentence. Let us go for the next sentence. Okay. I have still some shopping to do. May I leave my bag in your store? So which is the model here? Merini? May is the model. Okay, which is the model here? May is the model. What function is done by may here? Refer the table and tell me. What function is done by may here? Raise your hands. Ankit Hegde? Ankit?
Request.
Yes, it is a request. Very good. Okay, now again let us go for the third sentence there. Yes, but please collect it before 8 p.m. Then next sentence. The coffee is rather bitter. Would you please pass some sugar? No, you must not take any sugar. In these two sentences, which are the models? Rishi Gudigar? Tell me, identify the models in these two sentences. Okay, let us have the answer from Vidya. Vidya HN. Vidya, can you hear me, Marie?
Suggestion.
Marie, identify the models there. Which are the two models in those two sentences?
May.
You have your textbook open, no?
Mataji.
Tell me, which are the models there?
May.
Exactly, very good. But is there may in those two sentences? See, I am reading C. The pair of questions given in C there. The coffee is rather bitter. Would you please pass some sugar? No, you must not take any sugar.
sugar,
Sugar? No, it is not a model. It is a noun. Okay. Okay, Vidya. Ambika, are you there, Maji? Ambika, may I have the answer from you? Otherwise, Aditya? If Ambika...
Wood.
Wood. Very
Aditya,
good,
wood.
Aditya. Correct answer, Mari. Wood is one model. And another model in the second sentence?
Must.
Must. Very good. Okay, Aditya, thank you. Now, again, would you please pass some sugar? What is the work or function done by wood here? Who will tell me? Wood. Who will tell me the answer? What function is done by wood here? Chinmay Chaudhary?
Mataji, request.
Exactly. It is request. Chinmay, you continue to answer. No, you must not take any sugar. So what function is done by must here?
Necessity.
Must is necessity. Right. You must not. Must. You must not take any sugar. So necessity. Otherwise, you have it is refusal. Right. So refusal in the first paragraph itself about the models, you can see there. Okay. You can see there in the first paragraph of the model. Wait a minute, children. Chinmay, mute yourself. Yes. So in this paragraph, you can see where models are used. Models are used to make request, permission, then command, sometimes promise, then threat, sometimes to express a threat, refusal, you can see, no? So in this sentence, you must not take any sugar. So it is direct refusal. So to make or to refuse something, you can use this must, then hope, wishes, obligation, then intention, probability, possibility, ability, suggestion, and preferences. Okay. Now, let us go for sentence D there. Okay. See the sentence there. My feet get swollen in the evening. Then you must consult a doctor. So what is the model used here? Medini? Must is the model. So what function is done by must here? Tell me. What function is done by must here? Vaishnavi Aragde?
Mataji, necessity.
Exactly. Okay. You are correct. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Now, next one. I will not be able to finish my assignment on time. I will not be able to finish my assignment on time. Shall I do the drawings for you? Okay. So, which are the models here? Which are the models here? Chinmay Naik. Chinmay Naik. Which are the models here? Okay, so Chinmay Naik is not available. Let us get the answer from Tanvi. Tanvi. Tanvi, can you hear me? Okay. Tanvi cannot hear us. Now let us get the answer from Sandesh Shetty. Sandesh? Sandesh is also not available. Then Abhiram? 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 Abhiram is also not available. Okay. Bhumika? Bhumika? Shall is the model. Mari, in the first sentence, can you find any model there? I will not be able to. Which one is the model there? Will. Okay. So will is the correct answer. Okay. I will not be able to finish my assignment. So it is showing my position there, whether it is possible on my part or it is not possible. Then what about shall? Shall I do the drawings for you? Bhumika, you tell me the answer, Mari. What function is done by shall there? What function is done by shall? Exactly. Offer. You are correct, Mani. Now, let us go for the next page. Come to page number 32 in your textbook. B. So let us solve this now. Okay. See, here you have one match the following activity. I'll give you 5 minutes time to match on your own. See what you have to do. Match the models in bold in column A with their corresponding functions and attitude given in column B. Complete this fast. 2 minutes time. You take 2 minutes. Okay. Did you finish? Keep your textbook open. I'll stop sharing the page for you. So first one, he can write. He can write. Raise your hands fast. Shrisha? Shrisha?
Ability, Mataji.
Ability. Okay. So ability is the correct answer. She can or he can write. Ability is the correct answer there. Then second one, would you please pass? Would you please pass? Which is the answer? Swasti? Swasti.
Requesting.
Yes, it is request. Then let us go for the third one. You must not. You must not. Pranav? Pranav? You must not. Pranav.
Necessity.
Exactly, correct answer. Okay. Necessity or you can take it as advice. Let us check the others. Okay. So if this option is available, then you can consider it as necessity. Otherwise, let us take it as advice. Next, shall I do? Shall I do? Yes. What is this? Rachita? Rachita.
Asking for permission.
I do know, Mary. It is not permission. Shall I check the options there in B side? You'll get the answer. Okay.
माझे offering.
Offering help there, right? Shall I do it for you? Offer. Correct. Then, next one. She may come. She may come. We have Medini here. Yes, Medini. What is your answer?
Asking for permission.
She may come. No. She may come.
Logical.
No. Yes. Pritam. Pritam. Nammuru. Yes. Tell me, Marie.
Possibility.
Exactly. She may come. She may not come. Chances are there. No. Possibility is the correct answer. ಅವಳು ಬರಬಹುದು ಮೇದಿನಿ ಬರ್ದೇನು ಇರಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ possibility. Okay. So possibility is the correct answer. Then next one. Yes. It will be the maid. It will be the maid. Maid means what? You know the meaning of maid, no? M-A-I-D maid. It is not M-A-D-E maid. M-A-I-D maid. M-A-I-D maid means here helper. Okay. It will be the maid. Who will tell me the answer? Parag. Parag, tell me.
Prediction.
Prediction. Okay. Then it will be the maid. It cannot be prediction. It will be the maid. Any other prediction?
Logical.
What is that? Logical deduction. Right. You have an option there. Logical deduction means ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಇದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಇವರೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ರುಟೀನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರೋ ಬಾಗಿಲನ್ನ ತಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ the person came to that decision. Logical deduction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಾರ್ಕಿಕವಾಗಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮೇಡೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಡನ್ನ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹತ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ವಾ, ಏನೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ 5 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಯಾರೋ ಬಾಗಿಲು ನಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್. You must consult. Anudeep. Anudeep. Anudeep.
Advising.
Advising. See, here you have confusion. No, question number 7 and question number 3. You must not. Then 7th one is you must consult. So you can consider 7th one as a necessity, and 3rd one you must not as advice. Okay. So 3rd one let us here take for the time being. You must not as advice and you must consult 7th one as necessity. Then come to last one. May I leave? May I leave? What is this? May I leave? Which one is remaining, children? Asking permission. Okay. So next one, last topic for today. Do you know pure modals and impure modals? Which are pure modals? So let us see. I'll share the screen for you. Just check it out. In your textbook also it is given. Okay. See there. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will and would are called pure modals because they are followed by a main verb in its bare infinitive. Example, I must go. See, bare infinitive form. So here, I must go. In this sentence, children, go is the main verb and it is in its bare infinitive form. And behind this go, you have the word must. You have the modal must. Then second example they have given. Don't change in the third person. Don't change in the third person. There is no change in the third person. See, he will help. So, he will help and he instead of he wills help, ಈ wills ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ರೈಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಟ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇ ಎಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಶಿ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ಮೇದಿನಿ ಕ್ರೈಸ್, Anudeep runs, like this. In case of third person singular, for main verb you have to add s. But for this model, can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, must, might, for all these things, in case of third person singular, you don't have to add what, children? Yes athwa es anna add mada kelsa illa. That is why it is called what? Pure model. Then next one, need and dare are used both as modal verbs and main verbs. Need matte dare anna sometimes we'll use as modal verb and sometimes we'll use as main verb. For that also they have given example there. They need a lot of protection to win the match. So in this case they need a lot of protection to win the match. In this case need is used as what, children? Main verb. And in the second case they need not practice so much to win the match. So in this second case it is used as, need is used as what, children? It is used as model. So your need and dare, these two models, sometimes they can be used as models, sometimes they can be used as main verbs. Again, pure models you have seen. So which are the pure models? Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will and would are the pure models. So for today you have to complete, see there in your textbook page number 33. Complete the activity given under the heading C and D. C and D you have to complete in your worksheet book. Okay, complete this activity in your worksheet book. Otherwise what you have to do is, in your textbook itself they have given two options there. Dear Mohit ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಯು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು write it anyway. Mark it in your textbook. That is the homework for you today. So C and D. Okay, then come to page number 34. Language skills. They have given some examples there. Go through it. Okay, children. So this much you complete today. Let us meet tomorrow. Thank you very much.